Viewers, look at my.
Oh.
Sorry.
Okay, pick them up.
Green chalk hearts! Okay, the last one was garbage, right? Because I didn't get to do anything. Now that's done. Now that's taken care of. Let's go. I'm ready to plunder and hunt some green.
Open it up, Zach. There you go. Well, at least this looks better.
Yes.
Okay.
Just for the pure fact it's not filth.
Look, that's the ball.
Coffee machine.
What kind?
Oh, look, a drill. Hobby, look, a drill.
Those are nice ones.
And I
What
got
kind are those? What's it say on there?
wall.
That's a good one.
Let me see if it works.
What do you suppose this is? Let me spray some on your hand and you can smell it.
20 volts.
Hey. Okay. One for each of us. Those are good ones. That's nice. That was a good
I
find.
got a D-roll.
Those even have lights.
5-gallon shot back.
And look, there's a bee on it.
Okay. Yes. What you got there?
I have a 3/8 drive 16-piece socket set. What do you think, Miles? Pretty nice, huh?
Pretty nice.
Here's a gift that was never opened.
Really?
Let me open it. Can I open it?
Sure, you can open it. If you share with me, I get half.
2 hours later.
Hold on.
Even more packages?
It's playing cards. $100 bill.
Woo! Those are nice.
Money
Those
plate.
are nice.
Look at my.
Oh.
Sorry.
Let's see what's in here.
Oh, can I open it?
Turn around so the camera can see you.
Yes.
A Bible.
Wait. Always check the Bible for money. That's what you said.
Uh-huh. Do it for the camera though, bud.
Viewers, like my dad always says, always check the Bible for money.
You never found any.
Nothing.
Okay. Hey!
What is that? Okay. This also is made up for.
What size is it?
Large.
Can you wear it? All right.
Can you wear it?
Oh, me or Poppy.
Oh, viewers. This logo is the best thing ever. Oh. Look, Dad. Look, Dad.
I think you can look at
It's a
those.
CD. It's
CD.
Dirty Dancing. That's not what we found in the last locker.
Don't look at them!
The small.
Aerosmith, big ones. These are some good CDs.
And the small.
REO Speedwagon.
Dad, there's actually a DVD.
All right.
Smalls. So viewers, here's
Food challenge.
no.
Sure.
No. You guys can have a food challenge. No, I'm not eating any. Oh!
Come on.
No.
Good.
No.
You like pretzels.
I know, but I don't
That's not
like
like a
rotten pretzels.
It's kind of gross.
What, Dad? What, Dad?
It tastes gross.
I know.
Probably because it's been in here with dryer sheets.
That's what they taste like.
Uh-huh.
A few moments later.
Boy, that really left a bad taste in my mouth.
Me too.
Ugh. Let me see.
It's kind of a nice little toolkit you found there.
Yeah.
Look what I have.
Oh,
Clothespins.
La, 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 la.
Oh. Filthy adult coloring book.
Don't look at them!
Hey, look. Look, Dad, another panty.
Yeah, how come you find all that stuff? I think you look for it.
Hey, can I get a new thing? Mine is just garbage.
And we're
Stuffed
gonna find out
animal. What's this?
soon. Oh.
Is that jewelry?
That's a jewelry box.
How do I get inside?
I'm picking this quarter up.
There's
that
the
you dropped.
hinge. Hey, it's in there. Hey, don't just, no. Here, let me see. 925.
Case closed.
That's silver. Yeah.
You found some silver, buddy.
Poppy, my box is such a mess.
Yeah, but there's stuff in here.
Viewers, we had some fun today, but viewers, seriously, this wasn't the best one, but we still found some great stuff.
Hey,
What did he say?
he said this wasn't a great one. See anything?
I think mine is the best, and I think Dad got the worst. So remember, always remember, keep hunting for that green. We'll see you on the next adventure, and remember, the goblin is always watching. Bye.